Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set up an email signature on your iPhone. So if you want to change the default sent from my iPhone message, I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's quick and easy. First, what you want to do is head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now we're in the main iPhone settings. What you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the Mail app, and then we want to tap into that. Now we're in the Mail app. What you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you want to come to this composing section here, and at the bottom of the composing section you'll see signature, and as you can see here, sent from my iPhone. So let's tap into that. Now we're in the signature section. I've only currently got one email on my iPhone. However, if you have multiple emails, you'll have an option of all accounts or per account. If you select per account, you can set an email signature for each individual email account. If you choose all accounts, and you can click into the box like this, and then you can change sent from my iPhone to whatever message you want on your email, and this will be across all the emails on your device. I hope this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.